What is international marketing and how it is different from any regular marketing?
Okay, when we talk about regular marketing, nowadays there are different ways of you get into marketing. It could be a direct marketing approach, it could be a mail marketing, it could be a campaigning, how you start your marketing activity, or it could be via through exhibitions that you try to get into marketing. That's again different modes of doing marketing. All these are supposed to be, some of the general ways and methods that people have been doing, marketing all around. I mean, not only in a specific industry, but all across industries. This is a general method that how people do it. When now international marketing has really become a bigger scope, and that's where people are getting into it. In terms of international marketing, you need to be more on the web. There are various ways and means how you can do an international marketing. One is all nowadays, Google has come up in such a way that you can definitely use. Google has become actually a right tool for people to get hooked on and then search for anything. So it's basically a right way to get into an international marketing is all via web. Various ways and means how you can do international marketing. One is an AdWords, different keywords, tagging, how you can have search engine optimization. You would have certain publications online, right? You could register across through any of these sites, register your products, okay, so that people could get through your products and then reach you. Right? So these are some of the ways of doing it. You can even build across your partner channel network. You could even do certain affiliations, with certain organizations or certain associations, and through it's something where you can build a complete chain. So through an internet, these are typically requirements, which are meant for international marketing, because you might not have direct presence in case you're intending to do an international marketing. So it's very essential that you need to get through web as a media, use web as a media, and then get aligned to different sources which can really make you reach to those international markets, okay? Give you a right way to push to that international market. You can even channel yourself to different international companies, and then you will have your products being positioned even in the international